Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your invoice on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the Invoices button down below and click on the plus icon. After that, you should select your client, so tap on Add Client. Then you should type in their billing name, their street, city, type in their postcode, the country, then the contact, such as their email address, then their phone number. Click on the Done button. Then you should set the currency and click on the button Next. You should add the item, so type in the item name, then the item description, set the quantity, price per unit, and then click on the button Done at the top, tap on Next, tap on Summary, and here you can see the invoice. If you want to save it, tap on the Save Invoice button down below, and here you will be able to either send it or print it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.